So wrapping up, in this chapter we looked at markers, interactive markers, and then integrating sensor data into Gazebo and RViz. As for markers, we learned to handle single and arrays of markers, including that triad example for frames, which is very useful. For interactive markers, we saw the whole infrastructure on how we need an interactive marker server with its API, and how an object is an interactive marker object is the one that makes those calls on the server, how we need to push back one or many controls into the interactive marker object, and how we also need to push back one or multiple markers into our controls as well. Then in the second part of the chapter, we introduced the LiDAR sensor and how to model it in a Sacra file, how to insert a Gazebo plugin and set the specifications. We also looked at Gazebo and introducing some interesting worlds to give us some more interesting problems with the LiDAR. We saw how a display is loaded in RViz and configured to display that information in the way that is most suitable for you, and how we might then move the robot, change the world to see if the sensor data agrees with our representation of the world.